Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this yummy cake. This is a wedding cake recipe. If you want to prepare a wedding cake for your clients, this is a recipe that will take you to the next level. Try and you will thank me later. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that if I post any new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Feel free to comment, feel free to share. Don't forget to invite friends and family to this channel. Let's start. 500 grams of flour, 10 eggs, 500 grams of butter, a tablespoon of baking powder, 300 grams of sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla flavor, half tablespoon of butterscotch, this golden syrup, a tablespoon, black charcoal, a tablespoon, brownie, just a drop. This is my nutmeg. Feel free to mix with cinnamon, a tablespoon of nutmeg. If you have cinnamon, go ahead and mix with cinnamon. Cream your butter a little, you add sugar, continue to cream till it looks pale. Still add a tablespoon of cocoa powder, very important. It has a lovely taste in your cake. It's also good to add fruits to this cake. If you're adding fruit, soak for days with alcohol. Go to a cake shop, ask for alcohol for soaking fruit. Soak for days, months and thereabouts. It will help your cake last for up to a month. But this cake we are consuming needs soon, so I will just sprinkle my fruit on the top. Sieve all dry ingredients together and don't forget to add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Sieve together and you set aside. At this time, start preheating your oven. Grease your pan with butter. After greasing them, you dust with flour. It's time to start mixing. A little of liquid ingredients, a little of dry ingredients. You mix. Tap on the table to close up air bubbles. You sprinkle your dry fruit on the top to garnish the cake, and you bake for 30 minutes before you start checking your cake. Our cake is ready, looking so yummy. Wow. Wow, 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 so beautiful. If today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, join this lovely family, click the notification bell, and also click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I post any new video, you will get an alert. In this channel, you will learn a lot about cake making, cake decoration, pastries, and so many more. Cutting through this cake is looking so soft and amazing, so delicious. Please try this recipe, you will thank me later. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to share to your friends. Feel free to invite your friends and family who loves cake to this channel. Feel free to ask questions and feel free to comment. Join us on Telegram, Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Thank you so much. Check out all my other video that will pop up. Bye.